So the data for this project. For this project, we collected data through longitudinal, so over time, and very close-up observation of more than 60 groups, these fledgling groups at some point in time. And that included 378 structured observations. So this means Ashley or I or one of the students went to these groups, sat through the meetings with templates, and the templates had us record lots of detail about what went on in the groups and dynamics and so forth. We attended their meetings, press conferences, protests, and other events, trying to capture not only the exciting active periods, which is mostly what social movements focus on, but also what really takes up a lot of time in activist groups, sort of periods of sagging energy and boring discussion and irritating tedium as people sit around waiting for meetings to start, events to come together, or something to happen. So we're really trying to capture the bigger picture here. On these observational templates, we recorded the sequencing of action, what things happened in time, and I'll say why that's important in a moment, and also what failed to happen. So we're interested not only in what did happen or what people did talk about, but what didn't happen that you might expect to happen, or what people didn't talk about that you might expect them to. And that's the longitudinal nature of the data made that possible. So the recorder would notice, even though at the last meeting X was a big topic and was going to be talked about, it wasn't now talked about, okay? Or, I expected them to follow this up, but they didn't.